is. The box is pretty big compared to my studio. So yeah, we're gonna do the unboxing and we'll show you the bike right out of the box.
That's how you create.
Okay, let's get back to the bike.
That's how you create.
This is the bike right when it comes out of the box. So as you saw, I just wheeled it out. It's got some foam on it. You get this other box with all your accessories in there. So I'm guessing there's some way to open it. There you go, on the bottom. So there's a couple things that are going to be in here. Don't know what that is yet. Oh, the keys are in here. There's pedals. These are cool. They've got grip tape on them. Check these out. And the charger is down here. There's another little box that says, there you go, accessories. So get the charger out. And here's what we're looking for. So, see if we get this one open. Boom. So here's our bell and our lights. And this is cool. They give you these extra lights, so it's already good to go. So I thought that's pretty cool. I do believe it's a battery-powered light. Oh no, it's a USB rechargeable light. Check that out. Super cool. You hold the button to turn it off. It has a light up power button. I don't know if that's just for when you're in the dark or what the deal is. These are really cool lights though. Look at this little one. Another USB plug-in rechargeable light. Press the button on the back here on this one, I do believe. This one I might need to charge it up because the bike did get shipped. Now let's see what else we got down in here. Here's some straps and things. I think this is actually a tool for doing their bottom bracket because it has a cap. It's kind of hard to see in this light. There you go. See these holes right here? So that's what this is for. For all you people who are like, hey, I don't know what the heck that thing is. And so here's where your keys come and all the tools to adjust the seat and straighten out the handlebars. And from there, all you have to do is scan this thingy right here, which is a QR code. I just dropped the key. I still got to figure this thing out. We'll do another video where we go over all the features.